Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create product holding images in Artistly, which is a powerful generative AI design platform. So I'm logged into my Artistly account. This is the main homepage. Click on Create Design at the top, then choose Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 6 section. So go to the AI Design Assistant section, and then click on Product Holding. It'll bring you to this page. You can drag and drop your product image here, or click on Choose from Library, which is what I'll do. And from the media library, I'll use this drop down and then choose the uploaded folder. And then I'll scroll down and then choose this coffee tumbler. So here is the product image. I'll use this drop down and then choose 9:16 as my aspect ratio. And then I'll scroll down. And in this box, I'll enter my prompt. Essentially, I want a professionally dressed woman holding it. And then I'll click on Generate Image. It'll then start generating the image and redirect me to the personal design section. And here is the image. Let me scroll down. The size of the coffee tumbler looks big, and I'll show you how to reduce the size in a moment. If you're happy with the image, you just hover over it and then click this button to download it to your computer. So let me scroll back up, and I'll go to AI Design Assistance section again, and then choose Human Stylizer. Next, I'll click on Choose from Library, and I'll choose this image that we just generated. So here is the image. Let me scroll down. And in this box, I'll enter my prompt. I'll go with make the coffee tumbler smaller and leave the rest of the image unaltered. And then click on Stylize Image. Again, it will redirect to the personal design section. And here is the image that it created. Sometimes you may need to do it twice or tweak the prompt. So let me scroll back up. And then I'll go to AI Design Assistance, and I'll show you another feature called Merge Magic. And as you can see here, you can import two separate images. So I'll click on Choose from Library for image 1, and then I'll choose this image. Next, I'll click on Choose from Library for image number 2, and then I'll use this drop down, and then choose Uploaded. And then I'll choose these sunglasses. So here are the two images. And then I'll just use this drop down and choose 9:16 as my aspect ratio. And down below, I'll enter my prompt saying, make the character in image 1 wear the sunglasses from image 2. I'll scroll down and then click on Generate Image. It will redirect to Personal Designs. And here is the image. Let me scroll down. And I went ahead and created another version, as you can see here. And that's pretty cool, right? Similarly, I went ahead and created another product holding photo using these two images. And this is the output product holding image. And if you do have the Talking Photos AI app, you can make this character like an AI influencer. So let me show you what I mean.
Hey, guys, this is a test talking photo that Anthony created of me holding this kid's activity book. First, he created this image in Artistly and used it to create this talking photo. Please check Anthony's step-by-step tutorial to learn how to create these types of product holding videos.
That was pretty cool, right? There is so much more that you can do with Artistly. Check the link in the description section to get it at a one-time discounted price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.